So I made a mistake. Here is what happened. So off late something happened that can be considered as a minor mistake from my side. But if I just thought about what would happen, like if I kept my expectations in such a way, it would affect a lot of people. So I felt it was important to address this in my vlog. I created a new podcast, Persona Spotlight, link in the description. Definitely go check that out. And I uploaded this second episode like last weekend, I guess. And what happened was that a lot of people actually called me and they saw the word includes paid promotion on YouTube. They were like, whoa, okay, so you got sponsored right now. And like, frankly, if I had to address that, not really, because of how good that would be of a sponsor. So coming to the point, I was that video was sponsored, yes, but I don't have a proper sponsor. You see, the MP3 versions, which was on Spotify or Pocket Casts or Radio Public, if you go listen it to over there, yes, it was a sponsored video and it was sponsored by Anchor, where I made my podcast. By the way, this video is not sponsored any so. So this is not a biased or like I'm just angry or ranting video. This is just something like a mistake that I made from my side. So I made the podcast using Anchor and I wanted to monetize my podcast since you don't need minimum listenership on Anchor to monetize your podcast. So I made some sponsored segues and thought maybe I'll earn a few bucks. I'll earn a few bucks. But then like ran into a lot of problems. First of all, Anchor payments was the way I would get that money. And I was a bit excited, not gonna lie, because I thought I finally had a career in content creation. But it wasn't. So I tried Anchor wallets and then like I put up everything and it asked me to create an account on Stripe. Now, Stripe is kind of like a financial holding for Anchor, and like you create an account over there and your monthly earnings go over there. What I didn't read in the FAQ is that it was only available for the US, and I got pretty let down by that. Don't get me wrong, this is not a big thing. This is just something that I was a little bit idiotic to miss out. And you're the viewer who's watching this video and you can just be like, oh my god, it's such a simple thing, like why do you need to tell people? It's just that I wanted to like correct myself once again and create the theme for today's vlog. Sponsorship and content creation. This is like a classification where I can tell you guys how far a video is sponsored and how that sponsorship affects the overall video. This segment is actually split into 3 subsegments where there's sponsored videos, where the reviewing product or like the company that makes the reviewing product is not the sponsor, but the video still has a sponsor in it. And there's sponsored showcasings where the product and the sponsor both are the same company, but like it's not a review, and often creators just say it's a showcasing or like they're unboxing it and they do say it's not a review. Sometimes it can be subtle, sometimes it can be different. And the final portion is sponsored reviews, where the product is being sponsored by the same company who created the product, also persuades the reviewer to review the same thing, but in favor of the company, obviously, because the company sponsored the video. So if you take it in this way, sponsored videos are good videos because they're not biased in any ways. Sponsored showcasings, however, are a bit biased, but they're clearly mentioned that this is not my honest opinion on this particular product. Sponsored reviews are, however, the bad ones because they're biased, and sometimes they can lead people into wrong things, and they might even buy wrong stuff just because the video is sponsored by the reviewer. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the video, comment, like, and subscribe. And now I guess you guys might have come to a proper conclusion on sponsored videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog or my next video. Until then, it's yours truly, Shreyas Kalyan.